How to delete account on Shein app. The first things first is of course open up your Shein application and make sure that you're logged in to that specific account where you would like it to be deleted. Now account deletion on Shein app is very easy. So first things first is head over to the Me tab located at the lower right portion of your screen. Choose on the gear icon at the top right portion of your screen, which will take you to settings. Go to manage my account and then head over to delete account. Now, Shein will explain to you what will happen before processing account deletion. So it's not going to be immediate. You just have to apply first so that your account will be officially be deleted. Choose on apply to delete account and then you will be redirected to are you really sure that you would like to delete your account? Just simply hit on OK and then you're good to go. And that's it. That is how you delete your Shein app account using the application.